Ever wondered how Mediterranean people start their mornings feeling so energized and happy? Today, I'm sharing three simple morning rituals from Mediterranean region, specifically Greece, Italian, and Spain, that you can try at home for a healthy, delicious start to your day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Likita's Foodie Studio. I'm Likita and I'm obsessed with exploring the world's healthiest food tradition. Let's dive into the Mediterranean morning ritual and see how just in a few small changes can make your breakfast routine both nourishing and joyful. Imagine waking to the aroma of fresh bread and honey. In Greece, mornings are about simple, wholesome ingredients that provide sustained energy and support your gut health. The staples are crunchy barley rusk or a whole grain toast, Greek yogurt, which is thick, creamy, and packed with probiotics, and for their toppings, they use local fresh honey, walnuts, fresh figs, and cherries. Easy to bring the essence of Greek morning to your own kitchen. This simple combination is not only delicious but also provide a powerful start to your day, fueling both your body and mind. Place two pieces of whole grain toast or traditional praximedia on your plate, preparing the base. Add creamy goodness with a spoon of generous dollop of thick Greek yogurt onto the base. Drizzle with honey, sprinkle with walnuts, and top it with seasonal fruits like fresh figs or cherries. And enjoy slowly, mindfully. Eating is a key part of this delightful ritual, allowing you to fully appreciate the flavors and textures. Let's jump straight into our dreamy Italy. Italians understand how to savor their mornings, making breakfast a moment of pure enjoyment, often standing at the bar, engaging in lively conversations. It's about more than just food for them. It's about connection and a brief, joyful pause. A rich, frothy coffee made with a strong espresso and steamed milk, that is cappuccino, is all that they need for a quick and easy morning start, along with a lightly sweet pastry similar to a croissant or a simple whole grain toast. Recreating the Italian breakfast experience is all about appreciating the moment. It encourages a brief pause in your day, allowing you to connect with yourself or your loved ones. So let's start making it. Brew a strong espresso or a filter coffee. Steam milk until light and airy, then pour it over the coffee. Pair your cappuccino with a lightly buttered toast or a homemade cornetto. Coffee in moderation can boost focus and your mood, preparing you for the day ahead. This ritual, however, is equal about slowing down, being present, and finding joy in simple pleasures. Italians often enjoy their coffee standing at the bar, chatting with the friends, a beautiful moment spent on social connection. Well, let's travel straight to Spain. Spanish breakfast is a testament to the power of simplicity, relying on fresh, high quality ingredients to create a deeply satisfying start to the day. It's light, vibrant, and packed with goodness. Toasted rustic bread rubbed with ripe tomatoes and drizzled with extra virgin olive oil is all that they need to start their day. A slice of soft cheese or a sprinkle of fresh herbs for an extra flavor. Quick and easy breakfast is a staple in Spain, beloved for its fresh taste and healthy components. Perfect example of how minimal efforts can yield maximum flavor and nutrition. So, quickly, let's start looking into the preparation. Toast a slice of your favorite rustic bread until golden brown and crispy. Cut a ripe, juicy tomato into half and rub it directly onto the warm toast, allowing the pulp and juice to soak in. Drizzle generously with high quality extra virgin olive oil and season with a pinch of sea salt. Optionally, add a thin slice of soft cheese or a fresh herb like oregano or basil. Extra virgin olive oil is renowned for its heart healthy fats. Tomatoes are bursting with antioxidants, particularly lycopene. This combination provides a feeling of fullness and satisfaction that lasts forever. What unites all these delightful rituals? It's a constant thread of whole grain, fresh ingredients, and healthy fats. But the true Mediterranean secret goes deeper than just ingredients. It's all about the philosophy of eating. Mediterranean people believe in mindful eating, savoring each bite, appreciating the flavors, and eating without rush. It's about being in present. They enjoy the experience of having the food. Food is a source of pleasure and connection, not just the fuel to kickstart your day. It's often shared with family and friends, making it a joyful experience. Food is all about balance and simplicity for the Mediterranean guys. Prioritizing the natural, minimally processed foods, trusting that simplicity often yields the best results. Remember, it's not just what you eat, it's all about how you enjoy it. Well, did you like this video? Did you really love the Mediterranean morning rituals? So, which one excited you the most? Share your favorite Mediterranean morning ritual in the comments below. I would love to see your opinions. And you can also try a Mediterranean morning challenge, or you can create a Mediterranean breakfast and share the results with us. If this video made sense to you, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel Likita's Foodie Studio and share this video with someone who needs a breakfast upgrade. Along with that, follow us on our YouTube shorts for 50 fantastic salads and detox smoothie series, and I'm coming up with energized chia pudding series in the next content. So, until next time, stay tuned. I will meet you all very soon with one more exciting recipes, health and wellness tips.